In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through quickly how to use the word art, such as this Easter word art, to incorporate into your box templates. The Easter one comes with a black and white version, a color version, as well as an all white version on a transparent background. Of course, they all come with a transparent background as well. So I'm going to quickly go through this, how to incorporate this word art into, say, a 9-box and then maybe into a single box to use as an upsell for your clients. So what I'm going to do is just go into a 9-box. This is a standard 9-box template. And one way to do this, to incorporate this, is to essentially just put this like a rectangle tool, fill in the middle box and fill it with white. And then go back to your transparent version of whatever you're going to use, the black or the white. The white's not going to work on white, but or the color, and drag it into your template. There you can see it pops up. You can use Control T, so transform, to resize it. And there you go. That's as quick as it is to modify your existing templates with the word art, and then go ahead and follow your normal procedure for putting in your images into the box templates. If you want to add a little bit more to this, you can come over to the layers menu and click on the FX and add, say, a drop shadow, and then you can play around with the drop shadow, you know, in terms of how aggressive you want it to look, or how muted. You can add just a little bit of 3D to the word art itself. So that's how you can quickly modify a 9-box to include the word art. You don't have to buy other templates. You can just buy, you know, this, and it'll give you 9 different options basically to modify. Now, in terms of a single box, this is a single box that I use, and if you'd like, you can do something like this. You can go image, canvas size, and extend your canvas down. So say let's get our canvas down to 5,000. So there, it's added a bunch of space on the bottom. Now use our paintbrush or our paint bucket tool and make sure we're selected on white. And just come over to the border that we're using and fill it in. And then once again, you can just go into the word art itself, use your rectangular marquee tool, drag and drop it into a single box, and same thing, Control T to resize it. And you can use any one of the sayings underneath a single image and use that as an upsell to your client, or as an add-on with, you know, for their social media and that sort of thing. So that is quickly how to use the word art for your in-the-box photography. You can find it in the store along with other word art as well. Thanks.